as you saw, driver door isn't locking. I need that door to lock. Winter's coming. Passenger side door freezes. I'm totally screwed. Also, it activates the security systems. Pop this door panel off real quick. I'm gonna set you guys up inside the disco. So first things first, pull a speaker and the grab handle. All right. Now for this, I think you'll need a 10 mil. Yep. Stop on it. And then back here, we got another one. Another Phillips, number 2, I believe. Looks like we found the issue. Not sure if you guys can see that. That's supposed to be 2 pieces. The other piece is gone. I'm gonna pull this out. Oh, look at that. We're gonna have to fix that wire too. All right, looks like we got a couple things to fix. All right, so this is where we're at right now. We disconnected the little micro switch that's on there. I believe the only thing we gotta do is find a way to take that screw off, and the whole thing should just come out. There's a spring right there. All right, so that's what it looks like, huh? All right, so here's the pieces that came out. We're gonna try to reassemble this. Try to pull that off. We're going to have to reattach this wire. We're gonna try to fix this before ordering one online. Eventually I probably will have to order a whole new handle, but we'll see how it goes. Here I'm just using some dish soap, which is really good at cutting grease. Try to get these as clean as possible and figure out how the hell they go on there. Alright. So that one goes like that. I assume this one goes right there. And this one goes right there. Yep. So it goes something like that. Alright, so this is where we're at right now. This lock is purely super glued right now. It works and functions. But what I'm going to try to do is try to reinforce it something like that, so that it holds all the way around and brings that rigidity back. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet. After that, and after fixing this wire, all we'll have to do is reinstall. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I just threw the JB Weld and that washer on there. Hopefully that's enough. I mean, I pretty much caked it, but not too much in JB Weld, so we'll see if that works. I could see this being stronger than the regular plastic though. You know, with an actual metal bracing behind it. Now to work on the wire. And there's the wire repair. Oh, come on, focus. There we go. That's the wire. Now we still have about 15 minutes for this to be dry. This is what it looks like in there. There's that new washer. All right. Here we go, first test. Oh my God, it fucking worked. I can't believe that worked. Holy shit, my door's back. That is fucking great. That makes me feel so much better. We're gonna be able to set the alarm. Oh goodness. Well, hope you guys liked that video.